Hi, if you missed the first part of this tutorial, link will be in the description, and this is how far I got in the first part. I also imported a digital photograph in Inkscape. If I zoom out you can see it, and you can do that by drag and drop image in Inkscape, or you can go to the file menu, import. Next thing I want to do is I want to scale this photograph. I'll click on it, then I'll click on this padlock to lock it, then I'll click here and type in 1350 pixels to scale this down, zoom in, and now I want to select these two pieces, click one more time and rotate them. Next I'll select the photo again, go to object, pattern, object to pattern, then I'll select this object, start the fill and stroke tool, and select this option, pattern fill. Next I'll click on the node tool. I'm going to use this option to position this, and then I can select the photo and delete it using the select and transform tool. I'll select this object, then Ctrl D to duplicate it, click on this color 90% gray. For the blur I want just one, and send this all the way to the bottom using this option. Next I'll click on the object with the lion again, Ctrl D to duplicate it. I'll change the size to 604 pixels. Then I'll select this 90% gray again. For the blur I'll type 5, and for opacity 81. And then I'm going to position this and send it all the way to the bottom again. Next I'll select this piece, Ctrl D to duplicate it. For color again 90% gray, opacity 60, and for the blur just 2. Then I'm going to position this then I'm going to click on this object again, Ctrl D to duplicate it, and I'm going to click here to add to the selection, holding down the Control key. Then I'll go to the object menu, clip, set. Then I'm going to send this one step down, and that's pretty much all for this tutorial. You can now select all these, use the group option, you can rotate it if you want to, but in this case you have to also ungroup it again. Click on this object with the lion, then use the node tool, find these options here, find the rotate option and rotate it, and position it also. And don't worry if you see some weird effects on the blurred objects. When you export this, it won't show on the image. And if you want to check out the final result, you can go ahead and visit my Google Plus page, link is in the description. Visit my channel here in YouTube. And that's it for this tutorial. Hope that it was useful. Hope you subscribe. And that's it for now. Bye.